Hello, this is Chris Brashears, part of the Splunk education team. In this video, I'll show you how to install Splunk onto a Windows server. First, we need to get the software from the splunk.com download page. We will need to select if the platform is 32 or 64-bit. If you are unsure if your system is 32 or 64-bit, you can check your system properties. As you can see, this server is 64-bit, so we can install that version. If we saw a system type of 32-bit, we would download the 32-bit version. We run the installer by double-clicking on it. There is a button to view the license agreement, and a checkbox to accept it. At this point, we can either install Splunk with the defaults, or customize our installation. Let's click on the Customize options to see what settings can be selected. The first option is to change the installation location of Splunk. We are fine with this location, so we click Next. Now we must choose what account type to install Splunk as, local system or domain account. A local system account will allow Splunk to access all data on or forwarded to this machine. A domain account will allow you to collect logs and metrics from remote machines, as well as local and forwarded data. You are required to provide a domain account with the proper domain rights to use this type. Local system works well for us, so we click Next. We can select to have a shortcut to Splunk added and click Install to continue. Once installed, we can select to have Splunk launch and click Finish. The Splunk web interface opens in our default browser. We enter the default username of admin and a password of ChangeMe. A dialog box appears asking us to change our password. It is always best practice to do this. Once logged in, we are taken to the Splunk Launcher homepage. And that's all it takes to get Splunk installed on Windows. Now dig in and start exploring.